So I'm out here today and I will be doing the maiden flight of my Albabird motors. So we've got some 2207, I think they are 1900 kV motors, and they are spinning 7x5 APC props. Up front we've got the DJI air unit, ZOHD Metal Gear servos from my Talon GT. It's got some 35 amp ESCs, quad style ESCs, and I've put a capacitor on there as well. Inside here we have an F405 wing board from Maytech, and I've just put the GPS in there. I'm running Crossfire on here, and yeah, this is going to be the maiden flight, and hopefully everything goes well. This thing flies so well on the stock iNav tune that I completely forgot to even try and auto-tune this thing until about maybe 15 minutes into the flight. It was flying that well. I was surprised, well, not surprised actually, but I'm amazed at how quiet this thing is. Now, my Rambler, the Rambler is actually quite quiet. I could cruise around on the Rambler for at around about 5 or 6 amps easily. With the throttle stick in the same position, this was doing about 18 amps, but it was absolutely motoring along. It was really steaming along it with 18 amps, and I soon realized after flying it for a good 10 minutes or so that I could actually fly this on less than a quarter throttle stick. So I was flying this at around about between 7 to 8 amps. This was cruising. You could probably get this to fly a little bit more efficiently if you had different motors and propellers, but this is the setup I've got. These motors and propellers were spares left over from a previous build. I haven't actually had a look at the peanut footage yet, but I was absolutely loving the pan servo on here, the panning camera. I haven't got tilt, it's just pan, but looking over your shoulder down at the motor and then the other side. This is a little head tracker that I built myself. It's really easy. It cost maybe about £30. I'll put a link in the description below to the website where the project lives for this thing. So it's completely wireless in terms of connectivity to the radio. The head tracker Bluetooths to the radio, and I just use it basically uses the head tracker as a trainer. Yeah, all in all, I've had a good day. It's always a good day when you're coming home with all your planes in one piece. Today was the maiden of the Albabird, which went really well, and flew the Rambler as well, and it's a really good location. It's winter right now, so there's no leaves on the trees, but hopefully in the summer we'll get some really nice summer footage. As a bonus for today being such a good day, my car is still there. Nobody's stolen it. So I'm going to be driving home now, and thanks for watching.